I'm on a mission to become one of Prodigy's best players. And I think you probably have to be pretty good if you want to win 100 battles in the Duels Stadium in a row, which is what I'm going to try to do. So I guess we're just going to have to get into battle. Right now my best win streak's 9 since I haven't played Duels Stadium a lot, but hopefully by the end of the video we'll get it up to 100. So I got my best team, my best armor, and we're facing someone with a win streak of 2, but they do have charged levels. So let's just see how this battle goes. So there we go, that's one battle, and now we just have 99 more to go. This is gonna take a while. And now we're on a 16 win streak, but we're definitely gonna lose this game. Actually, I have to risk it right here. And yeah, we're not gonna win. So yeah, we're gonna lose. I faced this guy last time, like just last battle, and it was a pretty close battle, but yeah, this time we lost. So now we're back to 0. But I guess let's see how far we get this time. But then the next day, I could barely get onto a good winning streak, with my highest being 5. But then I started to notice something. My pterosaur was getting taken out very early, making it very easy for my opponent to beat me. So I knew that I needed to get a new pet, one that wasn't weak to astral spells. There were 3 things I wanted in a pet. Speed, so that it would be faster than my wizard. Power, because obviously more power, and hearts, because obviously hearts. And after a while, I found the perfect pet. Alright, so I think I have found the pet I'm going to use. That's going to be Barbarian. It has 980 health, which is a lot. And now that it has charged levels, that's up to 1170. Its speed is 520, which is going to make it faster than my wizard, and a power of 610, which is about the same as Pterosaur, so I think Barbarian will be pretty good for us. Now I need to find the right boots to wear so that my wizard goes after Barbarian, because I have no idea what a wizard's speed is supposed to be. And I have finally found the right boots after a little testing. Those are going to be the Red Knight Greaves. I think we're ready to go test this new strategy. This time I was able to get a new best streak with 25 wins in a row before I finally lost another battle. But as I got deeper into my next run, I started to notice something. Bruh, this guy hasn't answered a question in like 25 minutes. People would just go AFK trying to make me lose, but I wasn't going to let this bother me, so I would just wait hours until people would just answer their question or leave the battle. And after a while, I was able to get to a new high score of 44, and I could have gone even higher, but I lost a battle due to a glitch. But after this, I kept attempting more winning streaks, but I couldn't get back to a new high score. I needed help, so when I saw this person that had a 71 game win streak on the Duels Stadium, I asked him what he was doing. And most of the tips that he gave me I was already using, but there was one that stood out to me. You could battle bots in the Duels Stadium. Sure, they were on level 129, but the bots weren't good at the game. And if you could play at a time when the servers were quiet, you would have a higher chance of battling bots. So I decided that I would only play in the night when less people would be online, meaning that I would have a higher chance of facing bots. But I was going to have to hurry. A new beta called the Duels Stadium Rooms had just come out, And while it did give you rewards for completing battles, it only let you do 9 battles a day. That meant that this challenge would go by much slower than before. Not to mention, if I were to lose one battle, it would take me another 11 to 12 days to get to a 100 win streak. I had actually gotten this update on my main account, which almost made me quit this challenge. But luckily it was just a glitch and the update went away the next day. So with all of this new information, I just got back to grinding. I was on an 89 game win streak, my highest streak yet, but then this happened. So it has been a few hours and this guy just won't answer his question, and I have to go watch a movie. I can't leave because I'll definitely lose then. So I think I might have to lose this battle. I'm on an 89 game winning streak. So I'm just so close, but I have to leave the battle. I'm gonna wait a few more minutes, and if they don't leave, then I think I'm just gonna have to leave the battle. So yeah, it has been a few minutes, they haven't left, so I'm gonna have to leave the battle. After this, I went on win streak after win streak, getting far in just to lose. 21, 65, 51, 73, 57, streak after streak coming to an end. 47, 81, 21, tying my best streak at 89. One mistake would ruin an entire run, until finally I switched over to my phone so that I could watch YouTube on my computer. And that's how I found a glitch that would make it impossible for me to lose. I found this glitch when I was in the middle of a battle where my opponent wouldn't answer a question. I decided to wait it out, so I left Prodigy running in the background while I went to go look at something on my phone. When I came back into the app a few minutes later, I was on the Find It Battles screen again, with my win streak still intact. I tried to replicate this a few more times, and sure enough, the glitch worked every time, meaning that it was impossible for me to lose. So I got back to playing, and the next day I was 1 win away from 100 wins in a row. Okay, we're just 1 battle away. Let's get into this. You can see we're at 99 wins in a row. And I think we should be close to finding an opponent. This is taking a while. There we go. Alright, so they have an 104 winning streak. I assume this guy's a bot. Let's see. Yeah, they're on level 129. And we'll just get this right real quick. And I think we're going to go Astral. So there we go. I think I'm just going to go multi-spells for the first part of this battle, or for like the first round. That's what I've been doing. So they answered their question. Let's see what they go for. Okay, they went for Red Galaxy. Weak. We'll go Astral Storm. Okay, we should be able to take the Glorious out next turn. Or we could go for the Squally. Yeah, we're just gonna go for the Squally. So, I think what I'll do next is probably take out the Glorious. So, let's use Starburst, and there we go. We're definitely gonna win this battle. So let's see what their wizard the wizard uses, cause this is a bot. So yeah, they're gonna go ahead and take over Galaxy. We will use Sever. 717. There we go. Critical hit to finish it off. And that is a 100 game winning streak. There we go, win streak 100. But that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, I think you might like this video on screen now. And I'm also giving away 1 free membership every month, so if you want to learn how to enter, watch this video. And yeah, bye.